Hi, I am Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is the IRS 1099 MISC, 1099 NEC, and 1042S, the 2026 due dates for tax year 2025. All right, here they are. These are the IRS 2026 due dates for vendor payments that you made during tax year 2025. And I have those dates for the 1099 NEC, for the 1099 MISC, and then also for the 1042S. Now, go ahead and pause this video and add this to your checklist, to your to-do list, to your calendar, so that you do not miss the due dates for your payments that you're making this year to your vendors. Now, why am I bringing this up now? One, it's good to get those dates on your calendar. Two, the IRS has made another change with your 1099 MISC and 1099 NEC that you also need to know about now. So this podcast episode is going to come up right after this video. You can also listen to it wherever you listen to podcasts. All right, so if you like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at debrarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. If you would like over 115 annual hours of training for your vendor team, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.debrarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.